Number 39. Which statement about sustainable resources is correct? So sustainable resources are the resources that can be produced quite quickly. So they are very hard to run out because we can just produce them back like quickly. So their production rate is equal to their removal rate. Yep, this is the answer. So if the production rate is equal to their removal rate, then they can't run out. So C is the right answer. Sustainable resources are not. It doesn't have like fossil fuels in it. So fossil fuels are non-sustainable. Okay. So renewable resources are sustainable resources because we can renew them quite easily. So they're not non-renewable resources. So both A and B are not the answers. D, the production rate is smaller. No, then they're gonna run out. So D is not the right answer. So C is the right answer for this one.